Refresh this year. If you're looking for a compact SUV with the Mercedes-Benz comfort and styling, look no further than the 2026 GLA 250. Today, I'm going to take it on a test drive. Let's check it out. If you're interested in new Mercedes-Benz, come check out our inventory online at smailmercedesbenz.com. Exterior of this one's the polar white, and it really contrasts well with that blacked out grille that was refreshed in the front of the vehicle. You have the LED refreshed headlights and daytime running lights. Fog lights are down there as well. We have the 19-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels with black accents, the Mercedes-Benz star right there in the center, looking beautiful in chrome. To get into the vehicle, I have the key fob in my pocket. All I do is put my hand through the handle. That's gonna unlock the vehicle. Tapping a ridge here is gonna fold up that automatic side folding mirror there and lock the doors for us so I can just walk away. But hey, that's not all. We have that on the back doors as well. So if I want to get into the back doors, no touching the front doors to get into the back doors type of thing. Nice feature. This vehicle has a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine with mild hybrid. It produces 221 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Now that mild hybrid is not a plug-in, it actually uses a battery in the back that is charged whenever you're driving. Coming around the back side of the vehicle, we're noticing all the chrome accents along the GLA 250 logo, the Mercedes-Benz star and 4Matic back there. You have the dual exhaust and chrome on the back right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Button underneath the Mercedes-Benz star, you have the automatic folding tailgate, you got the tonneau cover up top, and you have about 15.4 cubic feet of space back here. Underneath, you have your hybrid battery back there. To put these seats down, what I'm gonna have to do is come up to the front of here. And we actually have not just, we have the 60-40 split that we could do. You can also put down that center area. So you could split the center if you have skis or something like that you wanna put in there. But when all these seats are put down, you have over 50 cubic feet of space in here. So a lot of ability to store things. Jumping into those back seats, this door opens nice and wide for me to be able to get in. I'm gonna close the door because we just got a noisy truck come in. We have the black MBUX interior, and you know, we have nice black leather in here, nice stitching that matches that. You have additional storage on the back of here. You have ventilation up here. That's always great to have, right? Underneath here, check this out. We have a 115-volt 2-prong house outlet and 2 USB-C fast charging ports. But hey, my favorite thing, this large panoramic sunroof above me gives me a lot of vertical visibility, and it doesn't feel cramped back here, even though this is Mercedes-Benz smallest compact SUV. Let's jump up front and get this thing on the road. Sitting in the front seats of the GLA 250, I'm just gonna start the vehicle up. We have a nice 2 of these. We have 2 10.25-inch screens here, one for the infotainment system, one for my instrument cluster. Pretty standard Mercedes-Benz, fully digital, looks really cool. I always love the way that these look. You have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in here, and that's standard in the GLA. We have actually a lot of really cool things built into this here. We have our seat kinetics, probably gonna play with that on the drive. We also have our off-road mode. Definitely, you know, being able to see how we're pitched and rolled here with the off-road mode, kind of fun for a Mercedes-Benz smaller compact SUV like this. Bunch of vehicle settings in here, but good to have all that information. We even have, if I go into here, we can set up different things on our vehicle. All those settings right there, you can play with at any point. We have a bunch of stuff on our steering wheel. We'll test that stuff out on the test drive. I do want to show you how much space we have in this armrest. I'm going to go ahead and push the button here, and you have 2 USB-C fast charging ports in there and some additional storage space. But I like how it opens up on 2 sides, so if you need to reach in there and grab something, you don't have to disrupt somebody's arm. Let's go ahead and take this thing out onto the lot here. And I want to test out the backup camera. I'm going to come up here to these vehicles, and I'm just going to show you what this backup camera is. What's really nice about it is that it's a hidden backup camera, so whenever you put the vehicle into reverse, it actually pops out of the vehicle, so you don't have to worry about it getting a bunch of dirt and salt on it being out all the time. Whenever I turn the wheel, you have those projected angles. You have an aura view back there. You have a more wide view, and you have your parking sensors available with this. So definitely, you know, the closer you get to something, you're gonna hear it. You have the little aura down there, which is really cool to have on there. You see it a little bit better here. You can also see where your wheels are going to be. You can also see whenever you get close to something, you have the aura going off in the front as well. So good way that it's looking out for you. What's better than a vehicle with all these sensors looking out for you? A vehicle that'll park itself, right? I'm going to hit a button down here. This is our auto parking, and what I'm going to do is just drive slowly in this parking lot until it finds a spot for us. And there we have it. We have a spot open. So we're going to hit start parking procedure. I'm taking my hands off the steering wheel. My foot's just over the brake in case we need to brake, in case of any sudden changes or anything like that. But you can see this is taking care of this itself, backing us up into the spot, showing us what angle we're going into. And I'm just paying attention to what's going on around me. This is great for people who might be having trouble parking, right? That was a perfect park job. I didn't have to do anything. In regular drive mode, getting this thing up the hill. And man, that actually sounds really fun. We have different dynamic modes here. We're just in eco right now. We're in the most fuel efficient mode, but there's comfort, there's sport and individual. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kick this over. There's actually off-road too, so that's pretty cool. Maybe we'll test that out here in a minute. I went ahead and switched it over into the sport mode, and we're gonna see just how sporty this vehicle can get. Foot to the ground. All right, that kicked us back in our seats a little bit, right, Alex?
Oh yeah.
I like that even in a compact SUV like this, you have a sporty feature like that to just get you up to speed and, you know, give you a little bit of excitement while you're driving. And listen to that engine. The engine sounds louder in sport mode. Definitely feels like the shifting has changed as well, giving it a much sportier feel. My handling has changed for sure. What's really cool up here on the instrument cluster, I can actually change what's up here, right? I have a classic mode. I got that sport mode. I have a understated mode if I really want this to be like simple. I want my safety features to be up here, my off-road features. Hey, I'm gonna bring that up in a moment, but definitely cool to have an off-road feature on here. You'll notice whenever somebody's in my blind spot, my mirror lights up. If I turn on my turn signal, that now flashes at me and beeps at me to let me know that somebody's over there, that I shouldn't make that left-hand turn. Another big improvement they made this year was with the Mercedes-Benz Connect, the MBUX system. You have the ability to now say, hey Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Close the roller sunshade.
I'm closing the roller sun blind on the sliding sunroof.
That's really cool. It increased a lot of versatility in this vehicle. You could also do things like, hey Mercedes,
how can I help?
It's hot in here.
I'm reducing the temperature to 68 degrees.
Very intuitive system. I'm just checking out the turning radius now. Getting us up to speed. And you got some additional charging options up front here we didn't mention yet. You have a USB-C here, a 12-volt charger down here, and you have those two USB-C fast charging ports inside the armrest as well. So a lot of different charging options here. All right, now it's time. Let's test out something you didn't think you were gonna see today. Let's go to this off-road mode. You can also put it on the screen here so that you can see your pitch and roll and all that stuff. I'm actually gonna change my dynamic mode to off-road as well. So right here we have the off-road mode. I activated it with the dynamic mode here. You can see my pitch and roll here. You can see how the car is tilted. You can see my compass on there. So if you are off-roading, maybe you're having a little fun, you can take this thing on the trails and make sure you have all this information there for you. It also turns off all your sensors, so you're not constantly being beeped at whenever you're driving. So pretty cool little feature in a compact SUV. So the GLA 250 is jam-packed full of a lot of cool technology from Mercedes-Benz. You have the comfort features and the styling that everybody loves. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to get back to you, or come check out our inventory online at smellmercedesbenz.com. You can always visit us off Route 30 in Greensburg, PA. And until next time, guys, enjoy the ride.